So this is another sight word activity. We call it the flashlight game or I Spy. I Spy sight words. And so what you want to do is you want to write down a bunch of sight words, and I put them on Post-it like this, but you could use an index card, or you can use little pieces of paper, and ideally you want your student to write out the words, but if you could go either way. Okay, so you put them up, and it's nice to do it in their bedroom, and you can play this game at night when you're going to sleep, and you bring down the lights, and you shine your flashlight. I might even use my phone and shine my phone flashlight on them, and you say, I spy with my little eye the word the, and you shine your light on the, and you want your student to read that word. And we're not sounding anything out, because memory words, you cannot sound these out. You just need to remember them. And so every night before you go to bed, you practice a few words. And the more sight words you know, the stronger, more confident reader you will become.